Hello and welcome back to the studio. Today is day 14 of Inktober. If you're not familiar with what that is, I'll leave a link in the description below. But basically it's a drawing per day for the month of October. And today's drawing is a Sumi inspired drawing of a birdhouse. That's actually in my backyard. I've looked at it for many years now and wanted to do a painting of it. And I thought, well, I wanted to do a Sumi style, and it seemed appropriate because it's hanging in a Japanese maple. With the Sumi style and using a brush, I'm used to being able to get a nice wide gradient. With a pen, that's just not possible, at least for me with these tools. It wasn't an issue with the smaller elements. The leaves and the birdhouse itself came out fine. And it was only when I reached the larger branches that I really came into an issue with it. I just couldn't get the blending that I wanted to get the gradation. It's something I've struggled with these pens, and I think it's true for pens in general. My solution to this was basically to go with more of a textural gradient and make use of the different shades of pen available to get a rounded effect on the branches. It came out pretty good. It's, like I say, it's not what I wanted, but I think it's close to the style, and overall I think the drawing came out nice. So with respect to the leaves and the birdhouse, I really like the way they came out. I feel like the leaves could have been a little darker, but I think the form was pretty much spot on, and I really felt like that was where I was most comfortable with this drawing, being able to apply a stroke and be confident with that. There were little fiddly bits, but overall I just felt that that was really the strength of the piece, were the leaves. My favorite part of this drawing would have to be the birdhouse. I've looked at this birdhouse for several years now. It hangs right outside our kitchen window. It's in an old Japanese maple tree. And I've always wanted to do a painting of it, and today I got the chance to do the drawing. What I really like about this piece, about the birdhouse, is I wanted to show the form of it with as few lines as possible. So I was really playing off of the sunlight and the shadow to define the piece, and it just came out perfect. That's the one part that, if I had to pick a particular part of the drawing, that's the part I like the most. I just think it came out really nicely. It's a very nice, bold, confident stroke, and it perfectly captures the essence of the birdhouse. The Sumi style is a really good tool, which is why I keep going back to it. As a watercolorist, it's really nice to develop the skills that you get with Sumi, which emphasize precise and deliberate brushstroke. And the minimalist nature is something that appeals to me in general, and I think really carries over well to the washes that you see in watercolor. Even if you might build up those washes to get more detail, the basic skill is very similar. Overall, I was very happy with the way this drawing came out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the little bell icon so you get a notice when I upload another video tomorrow. Hope to see you here again. Have a good day. Bye.